Hello everyone, welcome to the KCET Engineering College Organizer platform by Calpus Innovations. Let's look at the feature called Shortlists on our platform. Now, as the name suggests, you'll be able to create custom lists of your favorite courses and access them later on. Let's understand how these shortlists are used. Let's look at the results of the courses that are available according to your preferences. Observe the shortlist icon present on the right bottom corner of each course card displayed. Clicking on it will prompt a pop-up which will ask you which shortlist you want to add it to. By default, there will be shortlist 1, 2 and 3. By clicking on the pencil or edit icon, you can change the names of the shortlist to your liking and make the lists more organized. I, for example, will rename the shortlists as below: Bangalore, Computer Science and Kavitha. You can now choose any kind of nomenclature you need to organize the courses. Let's add a few courses to each of these shortlists now. Alright, now that you have added a few colleges to the list, you can access them by clicking on the second page of the platform, Shortlists. This will take you to the part where you can access all your lists and the courses inside them. This page can be used to do further research on the shortlisted courses without losing track of them in the plethora of courses available. You can add or withdraw them from one list and push them to another list or duplicate them in other lists as well. Once you're satisfied with your options, you can then proceed to click on the Download PDF button to get an option entry compatible PDF with all the relevant courses, course codes, college codes that are essential for the process. Please note that the colleges are resorted by the cutoff ranks previously listed in for the courses. You can choose to enter options as per your convenience in the portal provided by KEA. Also, while performing the option entry process, be careful about the course belonging to one of the below categories, them being aided, unaided, government seat, etc., as these might have a direct effect on the fee component of the course. These parameters keep changing on a yearly basis, hence cannot be included in the tool for the same reason. Owing to the pandemic and other situations, some colleges have decided to close down admissions and may not be available at the time of option entry. Please be aware of the same. Shortlists and PDF downloads are premium features available for our patrons for a small membership fee. Do consider becoming a premium member and support the team. Thank you for watching.